What is going on, all of you growers and smokers out there? Easy Breezy here, coming at you guys for another video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use a Instapot or a crock pot or something of that nature to sterilize your substrate. Guys, I've had a lot of questions about this and everything like that, and I finally went out to Walmart and I bought one just for this video. So if you could be so kind, go ahead and leave me a like. Also, let's get some Patreon shoutouts. Jamie Quinn, of course, thank you so much, and all the supporters that you are seeing on screen right now. With that, let's get into it. So as you can see here, I already have some jars inside of this. I'm just gonna call it an Instapot. I ran out of aluminum foil, so I had to switch the lids for these regular ones here. But I did make the ones with holes in them. I just ran out of aluminum foil. So this is okay. We'll go ahead and proceed with this. So the first thing is these. I can't remember how many quarts they are. I think they're all one size. They'll fit 4 pint-sized jars. And so what you want to do, of course, make all of your substrate and everything like that. We're rolling with the classic BRF Tech here. And so put them in. Make sure you have this basin in here. Don't take it out. Make sure you have that in. And you want to put your jars in and then fill it up with water. You want to go about halfway for your jar level. Look at your jars, and when the water reaches about halfway in, I know it's kind of hard to see, that's about how much water you want to have. And then after that, it's just a matter of throwing the lid on. So let me go grab my lid. I don't have my tripod with me right now, so let me grab my lid and throw it on top real quick here. Alright guys, we got our lid on now. Now the one thing you want to look at is your steam vent here. Make sure it's closed. It looks like that. That's open. That's closed. Alright, so make sure that is closed. Make sure, of course, you have it locked in. And now we're gonna, if I can see this right, we're gonna go ahead and put it on. Can we do this? No? Okay, meat and stew, I guess. High pressure. Temp adjust. Okay, it won't let me, I guess. Oh, I gotta start it. Can we set? Okay, there's the timer. This is the timer. So we're gonna set this for an hour and 40 minutes actually, because these are 12 psi here. It doesn't matter which one you select, just to make sure that you have the high for the pressure adjust, and then we're gonna adjust the temperature here. So let's go ahead and hit start, and it's heating, and I guess we're gonna have to wait to adjust the temperature. So I'm not gonna record that part, I guess, but you're gonna want to put it at 244. I think that might be the default for it, but 244 degrees Fahrenheit. We're pressure cooking these for 10 minutes longer, and because it's a lower PSI, and that's it. That's honestly all there is to it, guys. Like I say, I can't guarantee the results because this is my first time doing it. So I will be doing updates on this, and we'll see how it goes and everything like that. But that is my recommendations if you are using a Instapot or a crock pot or anything like that. High PSI, whatever one of these that you want. 100 minutes or an hour and 40 minutes, and temperature 244. 250 is alright too. 250 is a good temp too, but 244 is what I recommend. So with that, guys, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tomorrow I'll be posting a video on transferring BRF cakes to bulk, and also I will be showing the inoculation of these jars here. So until next time, guys, keep on growing, keep on smoking, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. See you later.